Hi everyone, it's Rosemary Morris from Rosemary Morris Art. I have a few of these little envelopes. They're from Sizzix and they came with some of Tim Holtz die cuts in them, die cut, you know, the metal things, and I store those somewhere else, and so I had a few of these packets and I thought, I can use that. So what I've done is I've made a little notebook that sits inside like that. And they're nice and sturdy, so I can actually put them in my handbag and they don't get damaged. I've cut this piece out here because it's too hard to get it in and out with that piece there. So there's a line, this one I haven't cut yet. There's a line here that I cut it down to. So there's this little romantic notebook, and this is tissue paper, and this is tissue paper as well. I think it was from Stamperia, I'm not sure. And done some beautiful stamping in it, romantic images all the way through it. Little perfume bottle. There's different ones of these. Oh, where are you? Well, these ladies in frames. There's a different one. Some really pretty lacy ones that I have. And in the centre I always put a piece of cardstock, so that one matches the cover paper, and it's got a couple of little tags in it to write on. A few more stamping images. Look at that one, it's beautiful. So this one is a steampunk one. Again, Tim Holtz paper. But you can see I haven't cut this one down, and it's really hard to get it out, and if you're not careful, your cuticle here pushes the skin back and it hurts. So I have to cut. What I do is just cut from that little hole there and up there like that. It still closes because it's got that circular closure on it. And this one's a bit different. It's a little flip out like that, and it's got a notebook in the middle, a few cogs down there, some washi tape, and again this is Tim Holtz washi tape. I think that's called Cigar Band. I don't know what that one is. Some little ticket ones. And this actually slides out of that band there, so that when you fill it up you can put another one in. These are puffy stickers, balloons, which I thought were rather nice. Then in this side there's a pocket with some ephemera in it. Oh, and I've backed them so I can actually write on them. Some of Tim Holtz people, and then another piece of ephemera. I thought the people looked quite nice in there. Go on, in you go. Well, we don't want to be in there. Looks like they've gone down to the beach or something. And then this side is the same thing, another clock, another little ephemera pieces, a couple of paper dolls, and a bigger one. Oops, goes that way. So there you are, just a little idea of how to use these cases.